Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? It's Dr. Crypto here. We are again back with another market update session. Today, we're gonna analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame and 30-minute time frame. Currently, BTC is trading around 19,500. On my previous market update session, BTC was around this area. When I told you guys it's gonna take a small drop till 18,800, after which it will bounce. It will bounce, liquidate these traders, and then it will drop from here, and then it will bounce from this current zone. So this all move was predicted by me on my YouTube channel. Here is the video. You can just go through it. The link will be in description as well.
Drop in price maybe till 18,800, or then you're gonna see a bounce in price till these areas. These would be our first target of this analysis, that is 20,100. To trap them, price may move a little down toward these areas again. We might see this move first, trapping the traders again. They might find a break of structure right here again, because they are considering this area to be as a protected high. We might see a drop in price again to trap those traders again, and then
so this was the update that I posted for you on my Twitter, and you can see it bounced from this area, dropped, and then bounced. Okay, so this whole move was just predicted by our team, and you can see our accuracy and how we predict such kind of moves in the market. Okay, so make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and join us on Telegram if you want to keep updated with us. So apart from this, we traded some trades with my VIPs on Discord. We traded Ajax in BTC pair with my VIP that gave us 60% non-leverage profit. Apart from this, yesterday we traded Bell in USDT pair that achieved all its targets, and it gave us more than like 80% profit in just 2 to 3 hours. Okay, this was our trade. We caught a perfect 1:2 1:3 trade for my VIPs. Okay, apart from this, this is my gains section. You can see that these guys post their gains throughout the day here, which they make with us. Okay, apart from this, we have technical analysis course section as well, but video would be obviously boring for you if I explain that for you here. So currently we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. What is happening right here, as I previously told you, that it will drop from this zone. Why? Because it has to trap those retail traders who were long from this area, because they were considering this to be an area of resistance, and once the resistance has been broken, they find long opportunities. Okay, so this drop was to trap those traders, and then this is basically a genuine bounce from this area. Okay, so what is happening right now? We have a protected low right here, and we have a protected high at this area. So as far as our protected low is being maintained, we gonna find bullish opportunities from the market. Okay, so this is basically the core idea. As far as we are above this area, which targets around 18,000, we're gonna find long opportunities. What would be our targets? Our first target would be these low node areas and this imbalance from 4-hour time frame. Okay, so if we jump onto 30-minute time frame, and let's end the video. Okay, this is the important stuff which I am gonna explain to you on 30-minute time frame. Okay, what we're gonna see, the chart is quite simple. We might see a small drop in price because the institutional traders are currently in negative positions. We may see a small drop in price till these areas, or might be this area, because they have to get out of their negative positions, and this here is the zone where they are at break even. Okay, then we might see a again long opportunities from these areas. Okay, what would be our targets? Our targets would be this area and this area. Okay, so this is our today's market update session. Hope so it's clear for you that this is the move. We might see small drop and then bounce. Okay, drop, bounce. So this is the move that we are expecting. We are basically bullish until this low is being protected. Okay, our core idea is that we have to go toward this area, or might be this area. If this low gets broken, this all biases would be failed. If it has to be going to happen, I would let you know on my pinned comment in YouTube, as well the community section on my YouTube channel, as well on my Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so that's enough for today. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram for free trading signals, and make sure to follow me on Twitter. So thank you very much.